Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's me. If you haven't been here before, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing an eye look over this look right here. So if you're ready to see how to get this super cute like minty halo eye, go on and first subscribe to my channel so you can see all my other videos and know when I upload more videos, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you get little notifications for them, and then we will go on and get started. So the first color that I went in with is this color right here, this Demint, which is like a brownie green kind of color with a little bit of gray. Like it's kind of weird. It kind of reminds me of like an army green. And so I just took it on an M441 brush, picked up a little, and then swooped that kind of through my upper crease. Since I have hooded eyes, as I've said before, I go a little higher and create my own crease. I'll look back and kind of go right there. And I just want to get a good shape to what I want, and I kind of stop right at the outer corner of my eye, and I just build that. So the next color I went in with is Chill Factor, which is like a gray green. It's the darkest color in the palette, and I just went in on an M506 brush, which is a smaller, more pointed brush, and I just took that on the outer corner and the inner corner, building that up to where it's a really dark, deep green. I am careful not to bring it into the center of my eye, as I don't want to have to conceal over that since I am putting concealer down. Now I'm gonna tilt my head back and kind of just go with the shape of my eye with that dark green color. Now I'm gonna go back in with the Demint color on a M456 and kind of just blend those lines together. Next I am gonna go in and cut my crease, but just the middle of it, and I'm gonna be keeping my eye open for this. Doing this is just a little bit easier, that way I can see exactly where I need to place it for it to still be able to be visible when my eye is open. So I just have some concealer on the back of my hand with my concealer brush, and I'm just gonna start tracing where I want it to go. Once that is on, I'm going to be going in with a Morphe M124, and I'm going to be going into this middle shade, Mojito Mommy, and placing that everywhere. I'm going to go in with another M142 brush, but I'm going to be using Play It Cool, which is this like white green, and I'm going to be focusing that on the center bottom. I'm gonna go back in with the 506 brush and go back in with Chill Factor and blend those edges out so that they're more blended than harsh. For my lower lash line, I went in with the 456 brush that I used to blend the top line with, going in with Demint and just following my lash line. Now going back in with that pointed brush, the 506, go in with Chill Factor, and just blend that out. For my inner corner highlighter and my brow bone highlighter, I am then going to be going into my Jaclyn Hill Cosmetics highlighter. Let's see, this is the loose highlighter in shade Extra. And I'm just going to be taking that on a Morphe 431 brush and tapping it in that inner corner. Holy cow, so good. and then right along that top brow. And there is the eyeshadow look. I'm going to go off camera, put on lashes, liner, mascara, all that good stuff, and then I will be back. Okay, so we're back, and this is the finished look. I went on and finished my eyes. I put on a nude liner in my waterline, and then I tight lined and did a very dramatic wing, and then put on my So Extra Miami lashes. And yeah, here's the final look with the Colourpop Meant to Be palette. I'm really happy with how this is with my little mint sweater. It's a crop top sweater, but I'm not going to show you my belly. But yeah, so I hope you all enjoyed this video, this little quick eye look. I will leave in the description box down below what all else I'm wearing. But yeah, I hope you all go on and give this video a like if you like this tutorial. If you want to see more of the Colourpop palettes, let me know which ones. And then go on and hit that subscription button. And don't forget to hit the notification bell. That way you get notified when I upload. And follow me on all my other social media. All that will be down in the description box so you know where to find me, who to look for. And yeah, I hope you all enjoyed this. I will see you in my next video. Have a great day, a great night, wherever you are when you're watching this, and I will see you next time. Bye.